Hey guys, if you're looking for a great budget flashlight which still ticks all the boxes and has everything, then I have something super interesting for you, and that's this TD-3600S flashlight. Here we have the specs, features, everything, but of course I'm going to show you now what you get, and then I'm going to show you how it performs outside, so you can see how impressive this is working. And not only specs, design, everything is great, but also the accessories. We get the normal standard USB-A to modern USB-C power supply, or actually charging cable, because it's a rechargeable flashlight with a whopping 2400 milliamps. So this can last independently for up to 20 hours. And you can see we have a decent size, and most people would think, oh, that's really heavy, but it's actually totally not. It's just a little bit more than 1 single pound. So this is super lightweight, as you can see, easily to carry and still very powerful, with large capacity and a large solar light to charge it outside. So no matter how long you're outside in the woods, camping, hunting, fishing, whatsoever, or if you plan to use it in emergency situations, just keep it at home. And when the power goes out for a long time, for example after a hurricane, you can always recharge it during the day and then use it during the night. But not only use it during the night, because we can use it also as a power bank. By the way, when I hold this a little bit closer, you can see that it's even charging now with just a little bit of normal inside light. So you can imagine how strong the charge will be outside in direct sunlight. Also very interesting to see how nicely this is built. So this is not just like glued together. This is fully unscrewable. If you need to do that, can fully take it apart, clean it, dry it if it's needed, but it's actually waterproof IP6, so as long as you're not submerged it very deep, there shouldn't be any problem with water. And so we can charge it from any normal standard USB-A power source, for example this power bank, and plug it in here into the USB-C port. And so we can see the charging light here, so you can also see when it's fully charged. And another great thing is we can already use it while it's being charged. So for example, if you're in the middle of the night, you don't have any power anymore, but you have still your power bank, you can still use it. That's also not possible with all the lights. So you can see that here. I just turn it on. You can see how powerful this is. But we do not have only the one strong standard function. We have also an automatic SOS. So when I push again, you can see it emits this standard SOS. And even while we are using the front light, we can use the floodlight, or we can use it independently. And that's also a very important feature, that we have two lights. So in any case, if there's something with one of these lights, you have still a backup light. There are so many flashlights which only have one LED. Here we have two of them, so great safety plus. And the front light does not only have one brightness level, we can long press here on the front button and change the brightness level. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a huge change here. I can see that here inside, huge change up and down. And also the light on the side, we can adjust regarding the brightness. So when I hold it, you can see as long as I hold the button, it's increasing, and after that decreasing. And when I stop holding, it leaves the brightness exactly how I leave it. And the lights are very powerful, not only this one here, but of course also the one in the front. This is super powerful. I've tested this already outside in the backyard to test how powerful this is, and it blew me away how strong this flashlight has been able to illuminate everything. And again, we can not only use this cable to charge the light, we can also use it as a power bank. We just plug it in here. Of course, we cannot only use it with this included USB-A to C cable, we can also use Lightning or micro USB. So I connect it here just to my phone. So you can see the charge indicator here definitely charging my phone. This can be super helpful when you're out in the woods, don't have any battery anymore on your phone and need to make a phone call, and it does not only charge, it says actually it's charging pretty fast. It would fully charge my phone from here in only 39 minutes. But we do not only get a USB cable, we get also this really nice strap which you can use to attach here in the back and here in the front, so you can easily carry it around your shoulder or so. And so this is one day later. You can see I'm wearing different t-shirt, and I've been using this flashlight outside yesterday in the evening for a little bit. Of course not for hours, but I've been testing it in the front yard, backyard. First using the side light, which impressed me quite a lot because this works even for walking. There's really quite some illumination. I mean, we can see a lot of light beads, but it's really strong, and even stronger the front light. Front light really blew me away. I didn't expect such a really super strong beam from a flashlight, which is only around $20 when you buy it in a 2-set. You can get 2 of them for around $35. I mean, we can feel it's lightweight, doesn't have any metal or so. Also the front, definitely not super hard, but also not super weak. I would say that's acceptable. And even the solar panel looks pretty good. Buttons are also nicely working, everything good protected. Again, no super solid build, but regarding the function specs and the really super strong beam, I would say for $20 you can't really go wrong. It definitely exceeded my expectations. Something was also really nice to see, that it has a really wide coverage somehow, like a wide angle, but a wide angle is not super strong. It just gives you some kind of illumination to the side when you're walking. Then you can still see on the side what's going on. That can be always helpful during the night. And at the same time you have this super strong beam in the center which goes hundreds of yards. Really nice. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one or even a 2-set for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.